Meaning of Dr.
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 Dr. The title Dr. is a prefix that is used to indicate that an individual has earned a doctoral degree, generally indicating that they have achieved the highest level of formal education attainable in their field. A doctoral degree requires several years of specialized study and research beyond a master's degree, culminating in a dissertation that displays original and significant contributions to their chosen subject. Those who hold a doctoral degree are often recognized as experts in their field and may be qualified to conduct advanced research or teach at the university level.